Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Solana. So, I know what you're thinking. Phantom wallet is based on Solana. So, if you want to connect your Phantom wallet to another wallet, all you need to do is, copy your account, right? So, copy this because since we're gonna copy, connect to Solana. It's not Ethereum, it's not Polygon, it's not Bitcoin. You want Solana. So this is going to be your Solana wallet address. Copy that and just paste it to another wallet that's not Solana. Because Phantom wallet is part of the Solana blockchain already. So you don't need to do that. You cannot connect that to another Solana wallet like, say, we have Solflare. Because Solflare is another top wallet. So what you want to do is, as you see your Solana, right? You can't swap, right? You can't, you can't make a new address book, new contact, right? So that's how you connect it. So say Phantom wallet, right? And then just do that, and then click save, and that's how you connect it to your Solflare, another Solana wallet, but it's very hard to do this because there's only a handful that you can do this with. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.